In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table to a blog post in Wix. If you've ever needed to present information in a clear, structured way, like pricing, feature comparisons, schedules, or quick summaries, a table is a perfect fit. I'll walk you through the process from your Wix dashboard to inserting the table, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way so it all feels smooth and intuitive. Start on your Wix dashboard. On the left-hand panel, look for blogs and click it. Then choose Posts. This is where you'll see a list of your blog posts in one place, making it easy to pick the one you want to work on. If you already know exactly which article needs a table, great. Find it here. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new post from this area as well, and you'll be ready to add your table in just a moment. Next, select the post you want and click Edit. This takes you into the blog editing area, which is your main workspace for writing and formatting. Give the editor a second to load. You'll see your content area where you can type, add media, and format your text. Now, to add the table quickly, place your cursor where you want the table to appear. Type a / followed by the word table, and press enter. This / command is a shortcut that instantly pulls up the table insertion tool, saving you from hunting through menus. It's especially handy when you're keeping your writing flow going. A small window will appear asking for the number of columns and rows you want. Think about how your information will be read. For example, a comparison chart might use 3 or 4 columns, while a simple checklist could work well with just 2. Be mindful of mobile readers. Fewer columns often make your table easier to scan on smaller screens. You can always start small and expand if you need more space. Once you've set the rows and columns, click Add. Your table is inserted right into the post at your cursor's position. From here, it's ready for your content. The cells are laid out for you to organize text clearly, and the structure keeps everything aligned, which helps readers digest your information faster. That's all there is to it. From the dashboard to blogs and posts, into the editor, using the /table command, choosing your rows and columns, and clicking Add, your table is now part of your blog post. Keep your data concise, and let the table do the heavy lifting for readability. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging!